You have a nice little fan here that came out of a system, little piece of wire, the fan 20 cents a pound, and they're almost a pound. I've done the math trying to remove this to get the copper and whatever, and just not worth the time and effort to get all of this out and removed and get the copper inside. So just put it in your copping bearing motors. Piece of metal here, nothing special, just a bunch of scrap. And as I'm talking, I'm making two little piles, and at the end I'm just gonna tell you guys what all of this is worth. Second here. Cut the wire off the fan. Get a little bit of extra money there. Another drive. And actually I forgot to mention on these drives, on these Blu-ray drives, the laser on these are pretty good because you get gold here. You can remove this and sell it as a gold tipped connector or refine it yourself. There's a little small peripheral board, some wiring, that's pretty good. I know the shell of these lasers are aluminum, but another fun thing, they have a diode. Not sure if you can see it. There's a diode here that looks, when you remove it, looks like this. You can see there's all sorts of gold on it. Connectors are gold. Kind of hard to see on the camera, I can't get it to focus, but there's definitely gold on these little guys, and I remove them all. I keep the bad lasers and I remove them. But for the video, for the purpose of the video, because you can't really take those out and measure them and see how much they're actually worth, I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna sell it as is, as a scrap metal, and it's gonna be part of my scrap metal pile. Ooh, and look at this, a nice hunk of aluminum and copper. I know a lot of people like to get this tubing off, but it just takes too long. I don't bother. I just put it in my copper / aluminum heat sink pile. Take out the plastic. The rest goes in the pile, the aluminum pile there. So, like I said, at the end of the video, I'll have a little price sheet with how much weight of each piece I have, and we'll go from there. Like, subscribe. Hopefully you like the video, and see you guys soon.